I don't even lie to y'all boys, bro. Should we just get straight to the unboxing now, Nick? I'm too excited, bro. Yeah? Alright, just let's get straight to the unboxing. The mic, bro. It finally came in the yo. I could literally leak my alley, dog. Must be careful. I literally nearly showed her, bro. But just as luckily we opened this thing, bro. And yeah, dog, I'm excited, bro. Yo, we're gonna find out right now if it's fake or if it's real, dog. Let's see, gents. By the way, you probably like, what's in the box, gents? I ordered a Hollyland microphone, portable microphone. Does that you clip like on like something, bro? Stuff like that, bro. So content is 100% going up like crazy, dog. You feel what I'm saying, bro? That's first things first, dog. Content's about to be, oh my gosh, super cinema, bro. You guys will always hear me 24/7. Let me just say that, bro. Which is like always the biggest issue with my vlogs, my streams, you know, IRL streams, bro. Now we chilling, man. Oh snap, boys. Yeah. Chase, look. Look. I'ma open it for y'all, bro. Don't fall out. Oh snap, this is quality. You, what if it's not even the brand? What if they scam me, boys? You're gonna find out right now. Are we gonna hear your heartbeats, boy? You're probably gonna hear like the blood rush in my flippin' body. Oh my days. We up now. We up. Take a good look at this, boys. Let me invert my camera so y'all can actually see what it says. But my fault. We got the Hollyland Lark M2, boy. Come play with me, dog. It's time, boy. Hey, bro, first things first, I wanna thank y'all boys for making this possible. I'm not even trolling when I say this, bro. Thank y'all boys for making this possible. All y'all boys that were gifting, all y'all boys that just watch my streams. You just contribute to everything without even knowing, bro. You just being here means the most to me, dog. Without y'all, this wouldn't be possible. Simple, bro. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all boys so much from the bottom of my heart, dog. Made to inspire, boy. You feel me? At the back, it's written button size, advanced ENC. I don't even know what the hell is an ENC. Hi-fi sound, app control. That's W's. You know what I'm saying? Read, boys. Read. Top. You feel what I'm saying? Button size. Oh, nah, Jace. You got it. We in there, bro. We in there, dog. We ended, dog. I look chopped inverted, that's the thing. Let me take it back, bro. I have to keep on going back and forth if I have to, bro. Oh, just I didn't even see this plastic. Look, I'm peeling it off. Let me do an ASMR plastic reveal. Nah, you wouldn't. Oh, you can hear it. Let me amplify my mic. Oh, this is the real deal, dog. This is the real deal. Ah, it's finally open, dog. How do you open this, muchacho? How much is that? 1.8. Alright, dog. It's finally open, bro. Oh, snap. Yo, Sting. Watch out. O-M flippin' G, dog. Sting love waist. Nah, it's my brothers, bro. Hollyland. Wait, hold on. Before you even touch the Hollyland, something fell out of the box, bro. Also, it's like a manual or something. Damn, stickers! A card! Yo, gents, I got a card. Let's get inside.
We some young niggas winning.
Yo, appreciate the follow. Was it free? I wish. Hey, bro. These shares that do like content like around like technology are smart, bro. Bro, chacho, these things are pricey, dog. Where did you buy it? AliExpress. Oh snap. Oh boys. First things first, you have the yellow stuff. You know. Second things, you have this tough stickers. I'm gonna put this hard. Which one should I pick out of these 4? Out of these 6, dog? Which one should I pick? Bro? Then it's just like casual black and white, dog. Oh, casual black and white might be like tough, no cap. You know what I'm saying? Then this is the manual. The manual says the packing list. Dog, let me just invert my camera, dog. Effort, bro. The manual says packing list, you know what I'm saying? This is what's in the thingy. Oh, a warranty card. That's tough. Back clip, you know what I'm saying? We got the windscreen. I mean, this thing, dog. This thing, bro. You know, red, always. Y'all saying the red is tough, always. Alright, boys, let me not waste y'all boys' time, bro. I'll read the manual like off stream or something, bro. Let's see this thing, boys. Oh, it's just this. My nigga, where's the box that they scam me? Boss up with these chains, bro. Where's the bag? Where's the lanyard? I thought it comes with like a lanyard, bro. Oh snap. Hurry. I appreciate the follow. Oh. Why is there sugar, dog? Oh, here's the bag. I just is empty now, man. Before y'all boys say, look inside the bag, Sting. Look inside the bag. It's empty, dog. I'm gonna put this away. You feel me? W box unboxing. Just stop. Here's the bag, Fede. Here's the bag. In Hollyland, y'all see, dog. Hollyland official, made to inspire, dog. Boys, us we up now, bro. We up now, bro. Let's see what's inside, boys. Let's see what's inside. Dog, I'm literally looking at my... Oh, the clippers. This is the clippers. Oh, I'm not gonna try it, dog. Obviously, come on, but who do y'all think I am, dog? Dog, I know more stuff than you chains, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's the clipper, like the things that you clip like on your t-shirt, bro. The lanyard. How do I, let me put on the lanyard, bro. You know what I'm saying? The lanyard. Dog, I hate inverted because I have to do things opposites in real life. Can you see? Oh, I can feel the repulsion. This thing is strong. How do I go, Jays? Go. My nigga, click. Oh, my fault. Go. See? The wind thingy, like when there's a lot of wind, like I put this on, then it turns quiet, like. You can tell, bro, didn't take physics, dog. Me, I used to excel in physics. He's a charger. You know what I'm saying? Charger. He's a charger for the mic, boy. Oh, this thing's seen us, boy. Yo, this is quality, dog. Smell. Yo, I sham. Oh, another. What's this? Oh, another one of those wind thingies, like when there's a lot of wind. I think it's called the wind protector. I don't know. W smart. Thank you, bro. That's what I'm saying, my boy. And that's it. Now time for the actual mic, boys. Time for the actual mic. How much was it? 1.8, bro. 1.8, gang. Oh. Mucho gracias, pula la lata. Alright, I'ma put my camera back to normal because now there's no more reading. How do you open it? Oh. Just dove. Oh. Snap. Oh, snap. It's not a scam after all. I'm gonna plug this into my phone, dog. Like, you know, I'm gonna plug this into my phone, like, if what I say, I'm gonna plug it, like, and then, wait. Oh, but that's for iPhone now, as eyes. And then I have 2 mics. So what does this mean? If I ever share stream with someone else, I can give them a mic as well, so y'all boys can hear them as well. Times like this is insane, dog. Yo, this thing is low-key small, dog. This thing's like a 5 rand, bro.
Adrian.
I'm gonna clip it on, boys. Look at this professional. Oh, nah, I'm gonna shot here. I'm gonna put it up here, boy. Yo! You feel me? I'm gonna put it up there. W casing, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see the inside, bro. This color is so clean, dog. If what I was saying, then you put it back in here, you know what I'm saying, bro. Put it back in there, dog. And then this is the USB thingy where your phone charges, bro. So like I'm guessing this can get us here, like then I plug it into a, you know, a head, then I plug it into an extension, then it starts charging, bro. Yup. Well, brochachos, first things first, let's go back to the stickers, bro. I won't lie. Y'all boys said this is your favorite sticker. I personally think it's this one, bro. Out of these two, dog. Out of these two. This one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the black and white is just, you know, it is what it is, bro. You feel me? Yeah. That's it, bro.